Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another video about my journey in building the most space-efficient non-permanent conversion kit for vans. And today the parts are already pre-cut from the CNC machine, and I've also already sanded these, as you've seen this several times now. So now it's time to assemble these, and this is also something you've probably seen in the other videos I've made several times. That's pretty straightforward. You just stick the parts together with all these finger joints and screw them together through the holes that are already pre-drilled. So I'll probably just make a time lapse about it, and if you want to see this in more detail, just go ahead and watch the other videos I've made about this. This, by the way, is already the second last module for this conversion, so we are close to finishing this. Same test as always. Nice. Well, even though this doesn't have as many features as the module from last week, the kitchen, or the module before, it still is pretty interesting. So this, of course, is mainly storage for your clothes. That's the ones with two of these straps you can open completely, so you can have better access to it if it's necessary. So after washing the clothes or something, this could be handy to put them back in. So behind here there is actually a storage for your water container. So this has access from the back, so when you're working with the kitchen, you have great access to your water storage. That's important. Therefore, actually, here are some slots milled in to secure your water canister with a strap. I've actually ordered a water canister already a few weeks ago, but this day, I got the message from Amazon that it's cancelled. I don't know why, but well, so that's why I can't show you a water container in here right now. Over here there is, of course, another storage unit, but this you can access actually from the front, from here, because when there is the bed mounted as well and the mattress is laying here, it probably goes so high that you can't really access this properly. So we made this storage unit accessible from the front, and it gets closed up by putting up the backrest, so everything is secure in there. Over here in the top there is another storage where you can just put anything, your mascotchen or something. Or yeah, this is just handy. This doesn't have a specific purpose, but I'm sure you'll find something for it. Well, this is a little bit tighter actually than I had hoped for, so I will make tolerances, especially in the top, a little bigger for the future, but of course it still fits. That's really nice. And I've screwed it to the module beneath, so it's really secure in place, so nothing happens. So I'm really happy how this turned out. I'm really sorry I can't show you a water storage canister in here yet. I will do this in future. And other than that, I'm very curious to hear of your thoughts about this unit. And thanks for watching. Good luck with your projects, and then see you in the next one for the last module.